Welcome to Market Peeker. Cryptocurrencies might feel like the Wild West, but regulations are shaping their future. Let's explore the key legal aspects every crypto enthusiast should know. First, regulatory clarity varies globally. Countries like the US and EU are working on comprehensive frameworks, while others still have unclear or restrictive policies. Always check your region's stance before investing or trading. Taxation is another big factor. In many places, crypto gains are taxable, whether from trading, mining, or staking. Keep detailed records to avoid trouble with tax authorities. Then there's KYC, or Know Your Customer requirements. Centralized exchanges often require identity verification to comply with anti-money laundering laws. While this adds security, it sacrifices some privacy. Finally, beware of banned activities. Some countries prohibit crypto entirely, while others restrict certain uses like initial coin offerings. Trading in restricted zones could result in heavy penalties or account bans. Pro tip: stay updated on laws in your country and use regulated platforms to avoid legal issues. Crypto offers freedom, but you need to play by the rules.